Lift and latch technology simplifies sink connection for ease of installation. Previous models and other brands use a mounting ring that spins freely during installation. This means you have to hold the disposal with one hand while adjusting the mounting ring with the other hand. Lift and latch technology features a lower mounting ring fixed with a tab that does not turn freely on the disposal. This is intentional for ease of installation and lifting the disposal with two hands. Using both hands, lift the disposal to align with the flange. Ensure all three mounting tabs on the lower mounting ring are aligned with the lowest part of the three ramps on the flange. Slightly compress the mounting gasket against the flange and turn the disposal to the right to slide up the ramps. Make sure all three tabs are engaged on the flange ramps. Once the lower mounting ring is secure on the flange ramps, the disposal will rotate freely. Rotate the disposal to the right and align with the plumbing. Lock the flange in place by using the provided wrenchette for leverage. Insert the wrenchette into one of the hooks on the lower mounting ring and turn right until all three tabs are over the ridges on the high side of the ramps. InSinkErator, kitchen better.